Imagine the thrill of driving your recently purchased vehicle, a feeling that words can't quite capture. But what if that feeling suddenly changes due to unexpected mechanical or electrical failures? That's where CCV comes in to protect you with our exceptional mechanical and electrical warranty. We're here to ensure your dream car remains a dream come true. With CCV's comprehensive coverage, you can hit the open road without worrying about costly breakdowns. Our warranty covers over 40 vital components, giving you peace of mind every mile you drive. Your safety is our top priority, which is why we provide 24/7 roadside assistance, ensuring you're never stranded in times of need. Plus, we offer convenient car rental services, so you can stay on the move while your vehicle is being repaired. Rest assured that your vehicle will be in the hands of authorized repair centers within our extensive network. We'll also go the extra mile by reminding you when your vehicle is due for a service, assisting you in booking and even negotiating prices on your behalf. When your manufacturer's warranty expires, our extended warranty keeps you covered for continued protection. CCV's mechanical and electrical warranty is all about you and your satisfaction. Trust us to protect your investment so you can drive with confidence. Experience the CCV difference today. We understand that everyone's needs and budgets differ, which is why we offer flexible options tailored to suit you. Remember, with CCV, it's simply about you.